Hey guys, this is a review of the Meguire's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer for bumpers. I just put some on my bumper. This is my car bumper, and you can see like this is really like creamy and glossy, richer, shinier, and this is really dried out. So I am a fan. This looks great. You can see the difference. I'll show you some squeezed out. I just used a paper towel and it comes out like that. It kind of reminds me of like hand lotion or something like that. Like you just kind of rub it in. It takes a minute to just get it all like circulating into like the pores of the plastic, basically, if that's what it's called. And yeah, it works great. You could do this like in the spring and in the fall and just keep it nice and restored and looking richer. It's those little things that make your car just a little bit nicer. So I'm a huge fan. I think it's great, and this will last for quite a while.